Hello and welcome, my dear friends. Bonjour and good morning to France. Yeah, welcome to France. And as this sign suggests, today we're going to cross the border to Monaco. As you can see, we're here on the Côte d'Azur, which is like, you know, the sea of France. And yeah, we're going to Monaco. Not to watch the Grand Prix and stuff, but just to say hello to the Prince dude or something. I don't know. Let's just see. So yeah, we're going to Monaco, and I'd say we're pretty close to the border already. So we've started this video rather late, but who cares? As you can see, Monaco. This sign says Monaco, and we say Monaco as well. So, and what's there? Okay, there are some cars waiting for something. I'm not. Whoa. Okay, those French bikers are really. How can I say? Something to get used to. They're rather wild, but hey. So now we're standing. So this is getting boring already. So, but yeah, we will see. Maybe there's a traffic light or something in front of us. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, the ride goes on, and we're getting closer to Monaco. I'm very excited to see Monaco. Yes, we will see. This is the last dwarf state. Are they called dwarf states? I don't know. Dwarf country of Europe. The last one that I haven't been to yet. So let's just check it out, shall we? It's in the middle of April. It's really warm. Perfect weather for a short trip to Monaco, I'd say. And yes. Yeah, I don't know what we're waiting for here, but hey. As you can see, this bus stop says Boutogan or something. I'm also not really sure what that means, but hey, who cares? Boutogan and stuff. And we should be there in a few moments, I suppose. And there's another bike dude trying to overtake us without really having much space to do so. Please don't, dude, please don't. What's wrong with those people? Can't you just, I don't know, stick to the rules and speed limits and stuff? No, he's really tempted already. I wish you could see him, but I will not film him. And yes, this is looking royal already. It's getting more royal each minute, and there he is. Okay, that was a good overtake. I'll give it to him. And yes, as you can see here, I think that's Monaco already. I'm not sure, but I think so. Look at this site, really, really nice. We're allowed to go further here, and there's this funny hill on which people here built their houses. The houses hill of houses, Sortie de something, I'm not sure. So where are we here? Monaco, right. Okay, that's where we're going. So there's a roundabout, and depending on where we are going, we'll arrive in Monaco. Conseil, Bobo, Alpes Maritimes, something. And yes. So we could go left and we would arrive, or we would reach Menton, or we could go right and we'd arrive in Monaco. So that's what we're doing, going right, taking this exit on the roundabout, and there we go. There we go. Monaco, here we come. I think, what's this? Is this the border? I'm not sure how the border of Monaco is supposed to look, but this looks, it's at Monaco. We will see. Let's just wait. So yes, we're leaving Cap d'Oeil, and we're okay. Where the hell do we go? I'm not sure. Monte Carlo. Yes, yes, I know. What the hell? Where are we now entering? What? Okay, I went the wrong way. Did I? What the? Okay, I went the wrong way. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we took the wrong way, and now we're going into the mountain. I'm feeling like a dwarf. I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but what the hell is this? It's going deeper and deeper. It's really weird. I just took the wrong exit, and now, yeah, and now I'm not sure what's happening. No. So yes, what the hell's going on here? Everything's blinking and blue, and oh, now we're going right. What the hell is this? Oh my goodness. So I think in a minute or so we should arrive at the middle of the earth or so. So that's a new kind of border crossing video. We're crossing the border to the molten core of the earth. What is this? No, it's not. Okay, so now we're... Okay, this is the Boulevard Charles Free or something. What is this? Okay, I'm not sure. Where are we? What is this? Where are we? I have no idea. Wait, is this Monaco? Oh, so we arrived in Monaco after all by taking the wrong exit. So, okay, welcome to Monaco, I guess. I'm not really sure if we are in Monaco, but maybe we are in Monaco. Okay, this could be Monaco. Please, are we not again? What is this again? What the hell? Okay, so what is this? No, okay, we're not going into the mountain again. See, we can stay. No, it looks like we're going into the mountain again. No, what is happening? No, what is this? I think, no, no, I think I took the wrong road again. Oh, this is really confusing. Who built those roads? No, I think we're on the right. No, we're not. Are we? I have no idea. What the hell am I doing? Please, this can't be. I think we're leaving Monaco already. What the hell is this? Who designed this? Who planned this? Come on, give us another route, please. Car, do something. Wait, I think we still have the chance to stay here or so. I'm not sure. What is this? Wait, there's a roundabout, but I have no idea where to go. Monte Carlo. Okay, but yeah. But we are in Monaco, I suppose. So, yeah. Yeah, the bus says Monaco as well. So we'll just go this way. We'll just go here. And then, no, we went wrong again. This cannot be true. Oh God. What is this? A mountain again? We're going into the mountain once again. Where are you? This is impossible. We're going into the mountain again, and yeah, what kind of border crossing is this? I have no idea. I think we are in Monaco, but I'm not sure. I also don't know where we're going, so yes, this is really confusing. Okay, this is Monaco, and this says Monaco City Circuit, so I know for a reason that this is Monaco. Oh, and now we're on the circuit. Oh, that's amazing. Are we allowed to go in here? I'm not sure. This feels really weird. Yeah, they're already building the circuit for the Grand Prix. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, this is really cool. Not sure if we're allowed to go in here, but yes, let's just do it. Okay. Okay, so now after we've we drove a bit on the Monaco city circuit, and I'm still not sure if we were allowed to do that. Wait, there's a car, that's why I'm stopping. Okay, those people are wild as well. So yes, so after we went a bit on the Monaco city circuit and saw, look on the right side, there are the yachts and stuff, and the port of Monaco or harbor of Monaco or whatever of Monaco, I don't care. Now I know for a reason that we're actually in Monaco, so yes, yeah, we'll just leave it at that. And with this, I'm going to say goodbye and welcome, and yeah, we'll see you in the next episode of border crossing stuff. And oh, sorry. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.